statement and offer statements is brown who
first of all, me who release, I quickly went to watch the signatory of the statement, and I saw management. Funny enough, the first question was say, "Hey, has more management?"
I don't win management.
Oh, no disrespect to Ben Emuna, very, very, very astute football administrator, but so ononkwa can't be management. It is also management. It means there are other people with him. I don't know them. Because I don't know them, and I don't really feel the impact of the work that they are doing. It's me who management, the first reaction was, hey, has some more management. And Messiah. Number 2, I have heard a lot, and I know a lot in Haas not to doubt even 0.1% the narrative from Jude. And Komona, what did you see? It makes a lot of sense if you know how has a tear in prayer. It makes a lot of sense. Semede toto, enu ma bebria mi nim se SC wo hasa. Enye radio friendly until untimi meka on radio so a. I have no doubt that information is 100% correct. Number 3, Rich, adentina mi gidi says narrative no. Apart from the amatitino, emani yonokre. And that is where my intellectual analysis in it back after reading the document. The first question I want to say, how to say they've parted ways with Didi in the technical team. And to Omadi. There's nowhere in the statement that about mutual consent or BBR. And it's strictly a decision from the club. Say, Oma you did in the technical team, no, Oma you Omadi. Amuno Oma Jumaye. Now, Rich, if that is the decision, then put it in a foresight of Ghana football today. Now, Ebusa who say, the situation has as a club, a woman CCA, Why pan has a bit me, I didn't replace Didi Dramani and the technical team, in terms of standard and level. I Nunti has Becca say they are hopeful they have a replacement who can do a better job. Because look, in outside, you see, Rich, in management, every decision you take, a value addition decision. And to get here, yes, bossy. Say, Okuku, ni Jimmy catch or say, Ayala must sports team no, Mungofa Judu Mekahua. The justification they will do to paying for is the value Judu add to the team. That is how any top corporate institution, every decision is a value addition decision. Say decision, add the value. Nobody will certify and say yatumo. And I subject the decision to value addition. Na maybe some will say, "See, situation has wom, multi-year more transfer band. Money ready Henry Kijina court, muano. Players, any staff for me here, mamamo, multi 3 months, na muntia or moka. And that is baby amuano. How many years now has I without a major trophy? You are in a certain situation. And it's a who take a decision say Kima. Then decision, in a strict logical sense, you put it and say, okay, decision here about taking. What value does it add to your club, and in the current state of us? And to the first question, I'm Busa Benada Moni Mone Yasmimo, and I say, decision has a take it. Oma Junumupano. when pana ene oya available obetimi stepping in no about be adwuma better than what Didi Dramani and then the current technical team Ayala has in the circumstances they find themselves. Where? Will he come and do it in the circumstances? And you say, has a no. I am saying in the situation that they find themselves.
Yeah.
Rich, yet yes,
me patrol prior to some because our situation we mumpo. Okay, it's at a point in time before Samuel Boaduba. Now coach is Bikra Dodge has a juma. So okay, a duba be no be and person be con be true, including Ibrahim Tanku. Ayala saw I mean.
Me say, Rich, yet yes, say yeah, Juma. If you I like practical examples. Yeah, Juma was here. Say if constitution in a board and relay information at the management level. Say Charlie, in the next 2 years, multimedia you need scar, you bet media acquire big poaching. You need scar, you bet media to big salaries. Until every management member must be aligned to the situation of the company. Rich, do you think say any management what a sort will have any issue with a top performing presenter and a worker within the institution to lose him? Because if you lose him, how are you going to replace him? So that is the situation. So that is the situation I'm talking about. And you say they are not top people you can replace. But you are in a certain situation. And you will be on a better set to come and work in that situation. And who situation a woman, you manage it as you go. Look, I am not saying say Hasibo League we know the trader. Why are they? No. But in the current situation has find themselves, that is okay. That is the best they can get in Omanyano. They should have kept that momentum. Me issue ni. The reason why I refer to the signatory and ask whether house or management, they say, Rich, in the same example I'm giving you, say, multimedia mpo, eka se onisika or the recruitment, and then go for big aba. What it means is that within some space na omuntimin koyes adie no. Say if any of omu staff a omu yed more hodada. Na nipa kono add big value every company no. Say if they are wenchumpo on the management in Temwa and on a company in Temwa, the best thing to do is to resolve the matter.
No matter what.
Yes.
Yeah, this personal sentiment.
The best thing to do in the biggest interest of the company is to resolve the matter. Just say, oh, you know who I want to see.
Me to be honest, I know I was like a prank.
If
you be not baby now.
I want to say. And you see,
sense.
And you see again, why I ask whether indeed who said the statement kept saying the board. Rich, every board member pay a company's act, you know. And only what bonified of fiduciary duty to the company. What it means is that say who a member of any company's board or independent. The bonified independent quantum crow with decision and they say what's a board no so no what do you know and you may have a company no kwa and a wo or the break company no and to see a board meeting you don't once you agree to be a board member of the company say even if the board chairman propose BBA to you it doesn't serve the best interest of the company you are supposed to uphold or independent logical decision and say no I didn't ready I mean no one now me biggest problem at DB I want to say whether a normal company or a football club will be or a Ghana Football Association ESCO meeting Rich the moment from outside you sense say within the board no matter the quality of the individual as a board in the decisions are a few no is around a certain figure, and that no other board member could subject decisions to the fiduciary independent thinking. There's a problem. There's huge chaos, and there is no way some board can be successful. Decision has a take. Is it not going to cost them financially?
Sure.
And the club already know.
I can't 1 year.
Already know. Uncha will play as a car. A Kenti or transfer band. You are adding technical team compensation at this moment. Catch me. Board bank the list the quality of the board members of Asofo. Will they sanction this decision? We are crying out sebi. Mo blanco drew baby and rich me board no so na me independent minder na me now catch me say oh this the decision we want to take rich the common question I will ask is say ye ntua re ni heading sika no ye pesca kutua ye players na say they threaten to boycott training ye do mo katremas ye nya sika ntua club no expenses ye we should add a whole technical team compensation. What are we doing to ourselves?
Asana we are. What's our
coach and the technical team?
No, I said, you are first can away.
So, what are you doing?
Players in so on contract to crown.
Oh, yes, me, you know my yeah.
A cat ensign our Watara than who. Watara name yes has a pen or bromebois. A cow coming to order.
So they will have to give you a certain role. They will continue to pay you your salary. Na but to say a more compensation. And every month to be na ye the child in a certain person who play Ruby. Rich. Sometimes it is sad. One where you may sound as if say, as a ote the running of a company in Passage to be, but it is not so. And you know, credit that.
Go to get a astute businessman. Successful businessman.
Rich. Look, uno opa ye ne sika samtonchen. Take to be CV. Schools are wako. The kind of look to be. Onyini pakitwa ogana hani wiasi o. Haven't you seen Togo talk on the platform of World Bank Munina? He's a big man. Highly respected. Me, I will not sit on any platform and allow anybody to disrespect that man because of House of Folk. But Rich, when you come to this kind of pointer, you lose the fight in guarding against people and the way they behave towards him as the board chairman of House of Folk.
As a question or competence.
You get it?
Say, I mean, Obi a successful businessman. Now we take it such a.
All your other companies are thriving. But these common decisions in football, Emma, you'll be tempted to raise issues about how Haas is running Haas and a trainer take these kind of decisions. No, it is too. I said they would theater in our movie. The drama as House of Folk is becoming too many. Nancy Agran himself kotoko asam no.
And now me post ya na Abranti Betray. He has. Ye ka kotoko nie ye ompeso musu be ye be kom ho asem. Yanka has as omo honki ka omo. Into Black Stars in kotoko. Because seriously, Mr. Bis from Enra, I be puma no pay about radio see. My general was has a dear the man has a work at taking such a decision.
Now Rich Medeman who see no. You see, one of the major things are Emma Yehu Kotokone has omu progress and they say they are so inconsistent. And this decision adds to the inconsistency of us. Say, players are house far almost this season. Gradually, they were pitching themselves up to understand what Didi is about. Send our person or born a ball. Send our person yeah park and so they kind of in general subaya person you done even off the pitch in kakra or to because Didi is a meticulous person. And so he will want to even affect the way you eat, when you sleep, your use of social media. I know Didi to be that kind of person. Very, very meticulous. Obesa, so no way aduma. Obesa, or cover bibia a found as a professional. Now, there are even news from Fifi Manfred. Say, there were points within the season Didi had to go into Onwankasane pockets to sort some players because Aketiane Mba a comment or who to say a no more dinty chale munjiwe na mofan sort. The point I want to make is say say Rich to the BIA yetika my the BIA ye chi car near corner bar. Say sometimes I pass by a young man and a young girl our Mochi Street. Na oma saw on side be omkuto mo popcorn. Ebi wa omakoto kebab bi no modin nam. Do you know there are sometimes I Rich? I even question myself say I think Omunika, you could clearly see they don't really have money. But they've chosen to love each other. One way you'll be tempted to say, wow, walk on. Say, oh, baby, tina ete woncha or front seat to her. Na o claims or Rich, the love that you saw from a mom from no, I am much more genuine than the auto car. The point I want to make is say, in difficult times, bonding, adore, standing up for each other, be more genuine than when everything is rosy. And unti say if Didi Dramani, 8 many players we ako a whole season. Aketiama yebo. Aketiane ba yebo. I was say ye transfer near the injection yentimi nye we have to na yenti assess adwuma no ye ne see na so yenye. If they go through that kind of season, Rich, it enhances a certain love and bond within the team because they are going through the season with difficulties. They come to love themselves. Look, you hey, Rich, say if as a sports team, say bibia ko to team, we will never discover our strength. Yaketiaba, or the budget ni approve obi any issue like there is nothing. Any obi ahoto nintino. Ye be adwuma ne ekọ. But when there are problems, when we have to meet, propose we have a problem, how do we come together and solve for him? We will say, that is where you build genuine love within a group. Has gone through that. Build bond with the coach and the players. Now, they have to start all over again. And they have been starting all over again. After 2 seasons, they have to change a coach and they have to bond with another person. They have to hear another instruction. They have to adjust and align to another thing. How do you progress within such circumstances now?
Dixon, okay. As it Togo Afeda is the problem of Hazebuk. He must leave the club alone. He can't use his money to hijack the club. And he munchwe ni sikamane. The guys muko flow t-shirts, you man first gang, ne didika ko iti. Sa mo peso jai ti mi wadi munchwe ni sikamana onko. Imano usuna fe mi fanko yenua Joshua na fe ono so ento so emfamose has mean. Better than Amwani Bongre Punch all in bed with Akambi, Odote and Co. Very hypocrite guys, really.